Hey, welcome to the latest home that we're bringing to the market. Right now we're located at 9912 Aveberry Cove, located in the heart of Cordova, in a quiet cove to be specific. Now this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with 2-car garage, front load garage, and a bonus room upstairs that has been finished out is just under 2,000 square feet. Where I stand now is behind me is the updated kitchen. As you can see, completely updated and looking fabulous, I must say myself. Now, in addition to that, both bathrooms have been completely updated as well, new vanities, and the home is in move-in ready condition. Behind the camera is the actual fireplace. So you have the kitchen, open air area, and a fireplace. Interior paint is brand new, interior flooring is brand new. You also have stainless steel appliances that stays with the home and no additional cost to you as the buyer. In addition to the wash and dry stand as well. You got a private backyard with a fenced-in backyard and a patio area out back as well. This home is coming to the market at $318,000. Give me a call for a private tour. Terrence Hill, the real estate consultant. Thank you.